Hello, this is my 1987 Ford Bronco II, which we're going to restore and also modify. We're going to use a Ford Explorer. I'll show you that later. Yeah, we've had the car for 15 odd years now, and this is the third time it's going to be restored. Let me show you around. So this is my Ford Bronco. It's from 87. Like I said, we've had it for 15 odd years. And it used to be forest green, then it turned into another shade of green, and then we decided to paint it white, which now we're going to change the color again to more updated Eddie Bauer colors. This used to be an Eddie Bauer, as you can see. It's already been slightly dismantled. It's got some rust holes, very nice. There are some parts. It's got the, let's just open that. So this is the heart of the beast. Ford's 2.9 US spec Cologne engine. We won't say that much about it because it's, yeah, pretty pathetic. We're going to swap this for the 4.0 out of the Explorer, which is hopefully slightly better. And yeah, as you see, it's half of it's missing anyway. Well, parts of it. Over the years we've taken stuff out and never bothered putting it back in. Okay. So now I'll show you some more around. We've got the, these wheels will stay on, only we will restore them back to the original colors. Yes, this wing is completely dead. It's more holes than you care to imagine. So there's some rust here. Yes, the interior, well, what can we say? Some family member of mine decided to spray it yellow. We're gonna restore it back to sandstone, I think it is. Yeah. So yeah, if you see, it's already been dismantled. Most of it's going to be new. We're going to use the dashboard from the Ford Explorer. We're going to use the complete wiring loom from the Ford Explorer, just to keep things simple. Yeah, anything else? I love these windows, very nice. Some more rust here. Yeah. Power windows work, just worn out. Oh. Here's some more rust. Yeah, sorry if I'm shaking a lot. This is my first video and I'm doing it on a phone because I don't have a proper camera just yet. Tailgate. And here are some more parts. Yeah. Well, yeah, this is the Bronco. I'm gonna replace the taillights. We're gonna have to see how I'm gonna get all the parts out of the States, because not every part they export to Europe. So yeah. So this is my 1994 Ford Explorer. I bought it as a bargain. That's why it prompted me to do this change. Let's take a look at the Explorer. So this is the Explorer. It's been painted. It's a 4-door out of 94. Its body's quite very solid. Yes, the interior, it's blue, but we will change that color. As you see, it's also already taken slightly apart. That's because it had an immobilizer in it, which I took out. Power windows. So also the original wheels, which somebody ruined. And guess what? There's even more parts of a BMW in this car. Yeah, we can't do anything about that because Now, I like my BMWs more. Yeah, and this engine is only done roughly, can we see this? Dum, 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 dum. 240,000 kilometers. Or is that miles? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what this is. Yeah. Power windows, nice. All the electrics work. Power seats. That's why all that's going to go into the Bronco. It's a very nice example, except for the paint. And so here we have the 4.0 engine, which will go into Bronco. Everything you see here will be placed into Bronco, except for the air filter box. We're going to run an open air filter. Yeah, so that's it. So yeah, I found this example on eBay in Germany. It was listed in Belgium for sale. I was looking for one of these for a long time, and thank God this one was very cheap. It ran, well, it was sold as a non-runner. We came there, we only put a battery in, started up first thing. So yeah, okay, back to the Bronco. So that was a walk around for the Bronco. We're going to call this Project Bronco because why not? It's a Bronco. We're going to use the body, the chassis. Drivetrain will be swapped from the Explorer. We're going to modify the axles to fit the chassis. We're going to completely build it up, modify everything, and then strip it back down, bring to bare metal, spray the car, overhaul the engine, and I hope you'll enjoy the videos. If you have any tips, let me know in the comments, and hope to see you soon. Bye!